So guys, a massive welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at GTechniq G5 water repellent glass coating, and in the kit, which is around 12 or 13 pounds, we also get the glass polish as well, nanotech glass polish. So the coating itself says it can last up to 4 months. It's super easy to apply. I've used it before, and obviously we just got the glass polish as well, just to prep the glass with. So it's just not going to be a long video, it's going to be nice and straightforward. I'm just going to show you both in application, and we'll just talk you through it as we're going. Okay, so as I say, it's quite a simple process. I've already cleaned the glass with a glass cleaner, so we're just going to polish it with this polish. It says to use a microfiber application pad, but I don't have one with me. I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth. I'm just going to put a little bit on. I've already shook it up. I'll put some on. Spill it all over bodywork while we're at it. And it just says just to work it in a circular motion until it goes clear. So it says, I don't think you'll be able to see this. It's the ideal prep for smart glass and water repellent coat for glass and perspex. Shape well before use, wear gloves out of direct sunlight. So apply a small amount onto a soft foam applicator, work in a microfiber motion until polish is broken down. Remove excess residue with a damp microfiber cloth. So, I mean, to be fair, broke down and it's dried up, so it does seem to be coming off on its own accord. So what we'll do, we'll just get it buffed off. So the glass cleaner I'm going to use is going to be this one from HLS, which you'll have seen me review a few weeks ago, and really like this. So make sure we get every last bit off. And there we have it. Right, so we got that done. Now we're on to the coating. Now it says to use a lint-free applicator. So I've got an applicator at one of their ceramic coating kits, but these kind of applicators are readily available wherever. So give it a good shake, and basically it just says put a small amount onto your applicator, circular motion all over the glass, leave for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. I'm not in a room, so let's see what happens. And then just says remove it with a microfiber cloth and try not to get the glass wet for at least 2 hours. So yeah, the weather's not 100%, so we'll see what happens, but we're going to put it on anyway. It's more of a demonstration and for application, so yeah, let's get it put on. Okie dokie. So I don't know, I'll just try and show you a really strange milky colour. Doesn't have like a drop or anything on it, so we're just going to tip it onto the pad. Oh, try not to get too much everywhere. There we go. So we've got it on, and we'll just apply it. Just try and go down the edges. So what I like about this is it's really easy to use, and you don't need to put like 2 coats on or anything like that. it's a coating that anybody can use, so as you can see it's just going on easily, and that tiny little amount that I put on the pad is still stretching out. Right, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it's hazed over now, and I think it's ready to come off, so it's got a general purpose cloth. Pull the wiper up. And that's super easy. We'll just go along, pick up as much as we can, and then I'll give it all a final buff at the end. We'll just flip the cloth, clean side, give it a final buff. And that's it. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it for a couple of hours, and then I'll do the hydrophobic test at the end once it's fully cured. But in terms of an application process, it's a doddle. You couldn't get it wrong. You really couldn't get it wrong. The glass polish is easy to work in. Once it's worked in, buff it off, and then the coating itself, it's just super simple. Just apply it on, leave it 10 to 15 minutes. Obviously it depends on the temperature. I've left it 15 minutes and it's quite a warm day, but I've come to take it off and it couldn't have been any simpler. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how hydrophobic it is now. So I'm just going to get the rest of the glass done on the car, and then like I say, we'll wait the 2 hours and then we'll check it out. Right, so I've just realised I didn't come back to check the hydrophobics after the 2 hours. So that was Friday when I filmed that, and we're now on to Tuesday. So I just want to show you the hydrophobics. So I've just got a pump sprayer full of water. So let's give it a shot, see what it looks like. Zoom you in a little more. And I think you'll agree that looks absolutely superb. So yeah, it clears the screen absolutely superbly, and all in all, for the price point this is at, I'm made up with it, so I can 100% recommend. We're going to leave this on here now going forward, so again we'll catch up with this as we're going along. Let's see if it does the 4 months. I've also got it on the front windscreen as well, so yeah, I'm sure the front windscreen will take a bigger hit with the wipers going on it, but yeah, we'll monitor it, and we'll definitely follow this video up. Thanks for watching.